I'm Mark with HealthAndMed.com, here to talk about the LPO Free Radical Test Kit. How would it help you to know how much free radical activity there is in your body? We know that free radicals, or unstable molecules that can damage the cells in your body, are associated with aging and cancer. And we know that the buildup of toxins can cause free radicals. Therefore, one of the best ways to assess the effectiveness of any detoxifying or anti-aging treatment is to measure free radical activity in the body before and after the treatments. The LPO Free Radical Test Kit is a great way to measure. It accurately tests the existence of MDA metabolite, which is an indicator of free radicals. It's easy and safe. Just use the included dropper to put a few drops of urine in the included ampule. Wait 5 minutes and compare the color of the liquid in the ampule to the color chart. We've included 2 kits per box so that you can test before and after 2 to 3 weeks of detoxifying or anti-aging treatments. It will prove to you whether your treatment is helping you get healthier or not.